Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what the interface must do. Show health, score, and context-sensitive actions. Choose an engine now: Unity, Unreal, or Godot, because tooling shapes feasibility. Once chosen, pick your target aspect ratio, such as 16:9 or mobile. Make quick wireframes and map input flows for keyboard, touch, or controller. Create the smallest playable prototype that demonstrates HUD layout and one interactive control. This gives immediate feedback, so you can iterate fast. Next, implement modular components so you can reuse buttons, panels, and a single notification system. This reduces bugs. Connect UI to a state-driven model so elements update automatically as gameplay states change. Loading, paused, combat. Once done, add clear feedback, sounds, animations, and affordances to communicate results. Make performance decisions early. Use atlases, batch draws, and aim for 60 frames per second on your target hardware. Also, integrate simple analytics to see what players actually use. Finally, polish visuals and interactions. Tune typographic scale, ensure color contrast meets legibility targets, and refine animation easing so motion guides attention. Test thoroughly across devices and input methods, and include accessibility checks like remappable controls and readable focus order. Once done, run playtests to capture friction and adjust. If things break, reproduce the bug in a minimal scene and change one variable at a time to isolate cause. That single troubleshooting approach saves days of guessing and fixes the core problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.